Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content, brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. Yes, that's our intro now, Flash Custom Transfers. I got my baby girl in the car right now. Today, the kids are on spring break. So we got a ton of sales that we got to get out. We actually have the kids every day now because they're home from spring break, for spring break. So I'm taking my daughter with me. It's work with your daddy day. So whenever she's hanging out with daddy, she's always working. So today we got a ton of orders to go deliver. So I'm gonna put my phone in the car. I'm just gonna talk to you guys, just make this quick little video as we deliver all these packages to you. We have a place close by that we drop off. It makes life super easy whenever we're doing our transfers and shipping them out. Take this video into consideration, because if you start to flip our sheets or you start to sell our transfers at a profit and you start to create your own business, your own transfer business using us as the manufacturer, then these are steps that you want to take whenever shipping out to your customer and stuff like that. So yeah, let's hang out. Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right guys, so we're back here in the car. As you guys can see, I got a ton of things here. Oh, let me see, you guys can see. We got a ton of packages there. Baby girl, show them all the packages we got. I don't want to show anybody the address, but we got the whole back car, whole car full of packages. So what we're doing right now, what we do is in your area, if you're shipping, right, you have US Postal Service, UPS, FedEx, and stuff like that. I don't know of too many FedEx drop-off locations, but I do know of UPS and obviously the Postal Service. So you have those two standalone, and then you have the cool places that take everything. And that's where we're going today, so that we don't have to take two stops. Usually in the beginning, before we knew about places like that would just accept all your mail, scan it in, and then ship it out, we would literally stop by UPS, stop by the US Postal Service and ship everything off individually. And it was taking forever. It takes so much time. You know, people say time is money, but that's not really how it works. Money, right? Having money allows you more time. That's, if you get to a certain wealth and a certain tax bracket, you realize that all the money that you've accumulated allows you more time. Because if you're doing it right and you're making money without having to trade time, then you're truly rich and you allow yourself more time. So I say that to say, here's an example. I could go work as a doctor, right? Which is an amazing profession, right? But I could go work as a doctor for $200,000 a year, 12 hours a day, 4 days a week. So that's over 40 hours a week that I'm putting in order to be paid 200 grand a year. Or I could be a physician, a doctor, having other PAs, other doctors, other clinics and stuff like that working under me. And all I have to do is just sign paperwork and stuff like that from my house, or whenever you send me an e-DocuSign and I sign it on my phone, and I allow you to practice, I allow you to make your money at whatever facility. So if you're a physician's assistant and you're gonna have to be under me because I'm the doctor, but you're still able to operate and write prescriptions, but you still have to work under a doctor, I'm still making my 200 plus grand a year off of each person, however much that they're paying me, and I have my freedom. So whatever time, if I want to be in the Bahamas, I can be in the Bahamas, and my income isn't tied to trading hours. That's the whole. So whenever somebody says time is money, no. If your time is money, right? If you can only make money during a certain allotted time, then the business is not, your business is not efficient, right? Jeff Bezos isn't making, it never says time is money. Steve Jobs, you know, may he rest in peace. Elon Musk, these guys are not saying time is money. No matter what they do in the day, right? No matter if they go crazy in a 24-hour period, or if they don't do anything in a 24-hour period, they're still billionaire trillionaires. So that should just be a little tip, a little business tip, because that's what we practice here at Flash Custom Transfers. Having the time while still making the money, but having the time to do things like this. This is important. This is important to her. She's 9 years old. So as she's 9 years old and all she's gonna grow up is knowing is, you know what's funny? My dad never had to go work somewhere. My father, I was blessed with a father who built a platform that allowed him to be with us 24/7. So that's just a little business tip. Work towards that, okay? Work towards that. Today's video is just about I see a lot of other guys doing like live videos and just videos just kind of just talking to the community and stuff like that. So work towards that. That's why we build our business model, so that you, the consumer, can take the transfers and sell the transfers and run the hustle, run the transfer industry in your city. We are here in Houston. We got Houston and Texas on lock. We do not want to be the top people in other states. We feel that you should be the top people in other states. We just want to focus on manufacturing. So today's day, like I said, I'm just showing my daughter the processes of working. She's been up, oh Laura, what time did you wake up today? 5 o'clock. She woke up at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the morning. She was ready. We had to, oh, that's the lady that works at the, that's the lady that works. Come on. That's the lady that works at the post place. That's funny. She must have went shopping. That's her. That's the lady she saw yesterday. I'm gonna let her go. That's funny. Here, let me go let her. Yeah, I'm gonna let her go. I'm gonna block anybody. Here she comes. We'll see you in there. We'll see you in there. That's funny. Yeah, so we're going over to this post place because we always keep a great relationship with the people at the post place. So we're here at PostNet, shipping, printing, notary, and mailbox. So we're here right now. We're not going to film whenever we go inside, but we got a ton of stuff, and she's actually walking across the street. And this is why we love our business, because we help support local small businesses. It is PostNet place. I don't know if it's a franchise or not, but it's still local people, and we like to bring our stuff to local people and stuff like that. So we got all these packages. Baby girl and I are gonna go inside. She's been here once before, right? Mm-hmm. Yep, she's been here once before. So I'm just teaching her the process. So this way, once she turns 16, she already knows how to do it. She can just take everything, do it, fill the orders, answer y'all's questions. We're just getting her ready to be able to handle the business. So whenever daddy's old, we can pass the business off to her and Donovan. So, so there's a lady. Let's go here. Go ahead. Go help her. Go. So she's going to help the lady. I'm going to go take in the boxes. Make sure you go grab that door for her, okay? All right, guys. We'll be right back. All right. So we're home. She's going to go ride her bike. We're finally home, guys. Dang, you slamming daddy's door? Put on your put on your outside shoes, not your good shoes. I just cleaned them. Okay, sorry. You know how it is being a parent. So we're home. We finally made it back from our trip. All you guys got your stuff out. Everything's going out. We don't print on Saturdays and Sundays, but we do ship. So we will be shipping on Saturday. Obviously, we can't ship on Sunday, but we will be shipping on Saturday. We have another load, so we have a whole bunch of stuff going out. So thank you guys for purchasing everything. We truly appreciate it. We can't thank you enough. Is my screen dirty? Let me see, because like I said, this is just a raw video shot with my phone so that I can just get content out to you guys. Chelly's in there. She's answering all you guys' emails. She's answering everything, guys. If you have any questions, if you place an order, remember, just place the order, send the email. We're going to get the email. You don't have to be worried about not getting the email, especially if you just sent it and then like an hour you're calling, did we get it? Unfortunately, we don't have an automated system to respond to you automatically. We're still working on that. Everything takes time to be able to get a system like that. But even if that happens, what we didn't want an automated system replying to you like email received, and then you reply to that email immediately with other stuff. Because then you will have a false sense that we received your email, that we're working on it. And it doesn't necessarily work like that. You send your email, but depending on when you send it in the day, then that's when we will be able to get to it. We get to emails really fast. Of course, we have things that kind of slow us down, but again, we're working on your email. We're working on your project to the fastest that we can get it out. Trust me, we want to get it to you fast, right? We don't want the process to be slow. We want to continue to wake up to 200-300 emails a day. We want to continue to push out hundreds of sheets a day. That's what we want to do. So we appreciate it. Thank you guys. We're blessed. And like I said, remember, you can get all your transfers if you do not know what you're doing, and this is your first time, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com, okay? Do not order from the website and then just send, because I had a guy commenting on my videos, which, by the way, if you comment on my videos, I'm gonna delete your comment, and I'm probably gonna block you, because your disgusting comment isn't appropriate for all the people in there, all the rest of the people in there. It's just business. As you notice, a lot of companies are gearing towards no comments. A lot of people are taking comments off because people like to just say wild things, and we don't want to have a business associated with, you know, really outlandish things. So if you send something and then we reply to you and you don't reply to us, we have to move on to the next customer, because you have to send us something. You have to have the due diligence to look at your email and give us what we need so that we can move forward with your project. We got a lot of people who get disgruntled that we haven't reached back out to them, but there's other people who have all their stuff together, and it's like, hey, Charlie, hey, can you take care of this? And we knock their stuff through the park. You know what I mean? We knock it out the park. So for the people who send us something and then they walk away, well, unfortunately, we have customer after customer after customer after customer who followed the directions, followed the instructions, gave us everything that we require so that we can get the artboard done and get the product out to you as fast as possible. Those people are going to continue to come. Everybody's going to continue to learn this process as everybody gets more familiar with DTF. In fact, I was just explaining to the lady in the store, she was like, well, because we bring so many boxes every single day. She has to see how many boxes we bring. So today she was like, can I please just ask, if you don't mind, what do you guys do? What? Because she kept saying, is this screen printing? And we was like, no, it's not. It's not screen printing. It's not anything. It's not silk screen. She kept saying silk screen or something. It's like, no. So I took her the video of our warehouse and showed her, like, listen, you know, we'll do this much money this year. This is our warehouse. This is the process. Stuff like that. So just to let you, sorry, I was out of focus. Just to let you guys know. So yes, there's people who don't know, but I truly believe in about a year from now, everybody who's in this space will have a lot better knowledge, and will all the returning customers and stuff like that will already know. And then all the new people, please just do your research on the product, because it's a super fast product, and it's gonna just continue to really go up and up and up and up and up as DTF gets bigger and takes over the market. So thank you guys for this video. Thank you guys for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Again, this is just a quick little video. I didn't even take pictures of the amount of stuff that I have, of the amount of orders. So I don't even know if I'm gonna thumbnail this video or how I'm gonna thumbnail it. But remember, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Send your artwork and your dimensions. Artwork dimensions. Please have a PNG. Please have a transparent background. If you send a screenshot or something from Cricut with the grid in the background, it's gonna take longer for us to do it, because then we have to send it to our graphic designer to do the background removal, and then we will have to charge you. So we're trying to make it as easy and as seamless as possible, but it requires you guys who are watching for the people who are brand new, the people who already know. But for the people who are brand new, just might have clicked this video just cause, listen, do your research. We have all the answers on our channel. All the answers. If you don't know, if you're watching this video, like, what the heck is he talking about? What is a transfer? What are all those boxes that he's shipping? Why is he talking about business? Please just go watch our collective videos on our channel so that you can learn what DTF is. Okay? All right, guys, I'm gonna go. My kids are playing and stuff like that. So be basic. Peace.